Sustainability. Let's embrace it. You can improve sustainability performance and reduce energy consumption in your buildings right away. Our Access solutions contribute to smarter, more efficient energy use over the entire life cycle of a building. We enable you not only to hit sustainability targets, but also to achieve your goals for greener buildings. From the specification phase, our expertise lays a solid foundation for success. With transparent EPDs, with certifications, know-how, and cutting-edge technology, we are there whenever you need us. Our approach to making installation more sustainable? Simple fitting, as non-invasive as possible, as little energy and waste as we can manage, and a reduced carbon footprint all around. In day-to-day use, our Access solutions enable you to optimize your building management, invest in innovations which self-generate energy, enhance your building's thermal efficiency, and leverage mobile technology to help you save resources. Keeping maintenance requirements for all our products as minimal as possible? For us, it just makes sense. That's why our designs are durable, thoroughly tested, and include options for reuse or upgrade. Sustainability. It's a journey, for us too, on which we have already helped many of our customers to think more sustainably. Now it's your turn. Join us on our journey, and let's work together to make your building's access even more sustainable.